Christmas Eve! Ayan, hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado ngayong December. Sabi ko pa sa isip ko, mag-vlogmas ako. Hindi yung everyday, pero yung kahit halimbawa once a week lang ako mag-post ng video. Pero I make sure that everyday mag-video ako, pero hindi ko naman nagawa. So, ang mga ganap, hindi naman gaano kadami. Pero nag-Christmas party sa trabaho ni Sam and pumunta ako. Ito yung video. Black 19, Chapter 12, page 13, Friday the 13th. Ayan, may Christmas party sina Sam. So, pupunta kami doon. Tingnan nyo, naka-Santa hat kami. At siya, ayan, nakita ko yan sa Candu sa 100 yen store. Tapos, kinuha niya.
Yeah, I like it.
Are you ready? Begin! You better pick them up! 3, 2, 1! That's it! Stop moving! I need a receipt!
Talaga, parang baliw si Sam, nakakatawa. Pero, ayun, after nun, kinabukasan, birthday naman ni Papa, December 14, at eto naman yung video! Next day naman tayo, pupunta dito. Ang parents ko, birthday ngayon ni Papa, December 14. So, eto yung parang pag-gift namin. Pupunta siya dito sa base, titingin-tingin. Hi, Mother! Good morning, good morning! Good morning! Papa, otanjoubi, omedetou!
Arigato!
Na birthday boy. Kuha na kami ng pass. Chikaku miru yo ne, Fuji-san. Ayan yung Mount Fuji. Nash, ikaw ka. Ayan, para kami nagtutour, di ba? May pag-explain na nagaganap kung asan. Lunch kami sa Chili's. Madir, tingin. Okay. Papa. Papa, mama. Ayan, 2, 3. Mama, tingin ka dito. Ay, okay. 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 Oishi? Arigatou gozaimasu. Groceries. Yan, ang laki ng cart. Peanut butter lang. Pauwi na sila. Ayan, nag-enjoy naman sila dito. Hi, babe. Are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Grabe, sobrang happy and unexpected yung happiness sa mukha ni Papa. Kasi talagang gusto niyang pumunta sa base. Siya yung nag-o-open. Tapos mga days before, week before, sobrang excited siya. Kaya, ayun, thankful ako kay Sam kasi tinupad niya yung wish ni Papa. And, ayun, ang happy ko lang talaga. At saka kinantahan pa siya dun sa Chili's. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Tapos, kumuha kasi kami ng pass. Nag-greet din sa kanya yung mga taong nag-work dun. Kasi, doon sa pagkuha ng pass, kapag first time mo, tatanungin talaga yung birthday, yung address, kaya i-check. Tapos, nakita nila doon na birthday ni Papa, so ginirate siya doon. Sobrang happy si Papa. So, right now, I'm just waiting for Sam. Kumuha siya ng McDo. Yun talaga yung kakainin namin yung Christmas Eve. Ang ganap mamaya, mag-mini Christmas party ulit kami ni Sam. Like last year, gumawa na naman ako ng program. Ito, nakalagay sa ref niya yung program. Ayan. Mga naisip rin ako ng mga games, kung ano yung mga gagawin namin. Kaya, ayan, na-excite ako ngayon na simulan yun. Umeffort talaga ako na gumawa ng eto, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo. Bumili ako ng ganito guys sa Daiso. Sketchbook siya. Kumuha ako ng dalawa. Tapos, dinrawingan ko ng ganyang poinsettia siya na dapat pula, diba? Kaya lang, yung pentel pen ko kulang kasi. Tapos, sa gilid, hindi nyo nakikita masyado pero may mga linya-linya yan. Kasi dinivide ko sila 5-5. So, bali, 50 na squares. Tadan! Ito na, natapos ko na yung kabila. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Hindi na pantay dito. Kasi una, ito yung ginagawa ko. Tapos, hanggang sa napansin ko, medyo parang lumiliko na pala siya doon, hindi na nagpantay. Kaya, ginanito ko na lang. Mas okay nang sadyain na lang na hindi straight para okay tignan. Pero pumangit tuloy. Pero okay na yan kasi, 'di ba? At least, may effort na yan. Tapos na siya. So, ang gagawin ko dito, ipagtatabi ko yung ganyan. Tapos, parang gagawin ko siyang snakes and ladder. Kaya lang ang gulo, no? Diba? A for effort. So, sana maging okay at sana ma-videohan ko ng maayos ang aming Christmas party para ma-share namin sa inyo. Ganun talaga kapag hindi masyadong bongga yung ganap sa buhay ninyo. Di mag-isip na lang ng ways kung paano maging masaya. So, ayun, inaantay ko na lang sa Sam. So, may hinanda akong tree. Ayan. Para saan to? Ang gagawin ko kasi, every game namin ni Sam, kapag ka mananalo ka, may makukuha kang parang pang-decor, mga ornaments. Pero mga kinatkat ko lang yun sa papel. Tapos, kapag ka maraming ornaments ang makukuha mo, syempre, mas magiging maganda yung decors, diba? So, ang point lang ng games namin na to, wala naman yung kung sino yung panalo, kung sino yung ganyan. Pagandahan ng design, diba? So, creativity pa rin ang panalo dito, mga beshi. At ito na nga yung tree para sa paglalagyan namin ng mga ornaments kunyari. Ito yung mga ornaments. Kakatapos lang namin mag-pray and ang susunod sa program ay mag-set ng music at talagang may ganito sa katabi. So, depends on the number of marbles that he got. He get to pick ornaments made of paper. So, these are 3 points, 2 points, and 1 point. You have 9 points.
That's 5 points.
Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, so in the end, our ornaments, we're gonna decorate it here. So it's my turn now, and we're using a 2 minutes and 10 seconds Christmas song. And while that song is playing, we could do this.
I got 18.
Yes, 18. And
I think I did 5 different trips
5? Was it 5?
or something like that.
That's why I made a game that is not really depends on our score or who the winner is, because it will make me feel bad because he always wins. So it's a creativity test.
Well, here we go. It's time for Elvis Presley to name the game. So many marbles falling. Why are you dropping so many? Babe, there are so many marbles on the floor. You know how many I dropped?
How many?
I didn't drop a single one.
So right now, it's just sit back and relax time.
Much needed after the Zumba.
After relax time, we will do the 3 funniest stories.
Yeah.
And after that, here is the game that I made. It's not inspired by Snakes and Ladders at all. This is my original game. So, yeah, just... Okay, fine. It's just like Snakes and Ladders. But my original version, right?
It's way cuter.
Okay, so since mas madami ang panalo ko sa kanya, ang ginawa namin para maganda naman ang pag-decorate ni Sam. Kasi ito lang yung nakuha niya. Ayan lang yung i-decorate niya sa tree na yun. So, tinago ko yung mga nakuha ko. And he have 1 minute para hanapin yun dito sa kwarto. So, we'll see. starts now. Go find it. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at that! You have so many now.
Yeah, well, these are all yours now.
So these are the ornaments that we got. These are mine.
Get yours away from mine.
These are mine, and that's his.
Wow.
So it's time to decorate, Archie. This is mine, that's his. So it's creativity test time. So here's our little Christmas tree. And
What's this?
yeah, so I tried to put this spiderweb slash snow here, but I realized that the color of the wall is white, so it's not like I can't appreciate it.
Yeah.
So look at yours. It looks like smiling.
Mine's a face.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is like nose hair.
So cute. And I like this that you put some stuff in the corner. I didn't put in mine.
Yeah, a little bit, but
Yeah, but not really. It
Yeah.
it looks hanging.
yeah.
Mine are not.
Inside, yeah.
They're both so cute.
And they're both different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, babe.
Merry Christmas. So, babe, what were the hints for this gift?
You said something colorful and poop. What? Those are the hints?
That's another big hint, yeah.
I can open this now?
Open it.
Okay. Look how cute she wrapped it.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Wow! I loved it! Thank you! We're gonna use this weekend.
I hope so.